Hello, are you looking for a nice home with a shop on 5 acres in North Central Idaho? I think this might be the listing for you. My name's Earl Music. I'm with United Country Steelhead Realty out of Orofino, Idaho. And right here I have the listing agent.
Hi, I'm Tammy Carey, and I'm just more than happy to show you around this property.
So this property is in the uber popular Woodland Meadows just outside of Orofino, Idaho. But we're not going to lie to you. This is an estate and there's some deferred maintenance. And so we're going to try to show you that as long as the great qualities of this property. One of them, this deck is big and it's beautiful. But there's a few things they didn't finish up here in the facet area. As you can see, we're also going to take you over here. They had some snow collapse and they pulled all the boards back up, but they used the old stringers and they weren't level. And so the deck kind of is a little bit wavy and we've got some paint issues. And so this property probably will not qualify for FHA, but definitely should have no problem with conventional if you need lending at all. But more importantly, the location here. I mean, look at this view. It is so private here. It is so quiet. And there's so many great qualities of this house still here and this property. We don't think these little maintenance issues are going to stop you from loving this property. All right, now let's go inside and take a look around.
Okay, let's take a look. I absolutely love this spacious living room here with big windows overlooking the timber. And then it just flows right on into a nice family room with a wood stove and views of the shop. The skylights make it so bright. Big kitchen with ample cabinets and lots of storage. And I love the view from the kitchen sink where it's overlooking the timber. The wildlife is just abundant up here. Little dining room, coffee area. From the living room, we go into the hallway with the 3 bedrooms, and they're all very nice sized. Off the bedrooms, you do have the laundry room. It's really nice. Washer and dryer is included, and also a nice wash basin sink.
And if you're like me and tall, those risers really make a nice addition to those. And then there's also this entrance right out into the yard.
Conveniently located is a tub shower combo.
This is the second bedroom. And then now we're going to walk into the master. And this, it was quite the surprise when I first walked through this house. This room is gigantic.
Very spacious with a walk-in closet. And I like the octagon window. Has some unique features in it with the ensuite. And this bathroom here has the tub and then also the stand-up shower with double sinks. The bones are most definitely here. It's just ready for some personal updating, paint, carpet, and bringing in your own modern touch.
Yeah, that's most of the issues with this is just a little bit of deferred maintenance here and there, some paint. The carpet you definitely could salvage easily if you wanted to, but if you were to rip it out and put new carpet in, or even hardwood flooring before you moved in, would really change this house a lot. But really is just a nice, big, spacious, roomy house. I really like the floor plan here. I think you will too. So if you have any interest in this, give us a call right away. But don't leave the video yet. We're going to go out and check out the shop.
Let's go take a look.
All right, here's the shop. We got 3 bay doors. We got a walk-through door down there. I want to bring you in here and show you around. Concrete floor in here. There is insulation. Wood stove for heat. And this is way oversized. Probably your biggest full-size pickup probably be here. There's another 15, 16 feet to the wall. So you got lots of room in here, even if you were parking 3 vehicles.
Yeah, the lofts up above are really ample for all that extra storage.
Yeah. And then we have an insulated room built onto it. There is a room in here for a bathroom. It's all plugged in, but never was done. I'm gonna poke in here. So we have there's your water and sewer tile. Then this room here, this is insulated. There is a oil burning stove right there for a heat source.
I think this was the fishing lure and fly making room, but it most definitely could be an extra studio apartment or just a quilting room, you name it.
Reloading room, if you're into quilting or any crafts like that, make an excellent spot. And then, yeah, like Tammy said, you put a bed in here in the kitchenette, you probably rent this out for $700, $800 a month pretty easily. So now let's go out and just do a little bit around the outside of the house. All right, so here's your view outside. There is a garden area here that was fenced in. Again, we mentioned this is part of an estate, so needs some maintenance from last winter, but really well landscaped. There's not a lot of lawn here for you to maintain, but it's given you a nice buffer from any of the neighbors. I've been out here for an hour and a half and haven't even heard a dog bark. I mean, it's just so quiet and peaceful here. Again, I'm going to show you the pictures, but right here where I'm standing, there was a nice little buck in velvet and had a doe with him. We're going to show that off here in a minute, but anyways, really private, nice property. Tammy, if they're interested in this, what should they do?
They should give me a call. So we would just call Tammy Carey at 208-827-0714. And in the video, we'll have all of our contact information.
Yep, and we also want to make sure that go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We are the only brokerage in this area who does videos like this for all of our listings. So if you find this content valuable in your home search, then we would appreciate you letting us know that by leaving us a like. And if you left a comment, we'd appreciate that as well. And make sure you're subscribed. If this isn't the right property for you, the next one I have might be.